Okay, I'm here. Now what?
Pull the cover up so you can see the wires.
Okay. Done.
Okay, on 3. Cut the gray wire. 1, 2.
Wait. I don't have a gray wire. I have red, green, and yellow.
That's weird. I have light